Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to choose who can see the links you have made to your social network profile. In essence, I'm trying to teach you how to make your social network profile private on Roblox. Now let's say you download your Roblox app onto your phone, iOS, Android device, and you want to hide, or let me put it this way, make your social profile network private. You've already added it in a previous video. I walked you through how to add your social network profiles and how to link Facebook to Roblox and the rest of them. So now, if you haven't watched the video or you don't know how to do it, simply pause this video right now, go back and search on our platform and search for how to add social network profiles to Roblox. And if you want to know how to link Facebook to Roblox, click on how to link Facebook to. We have all those videos in our YouTube channel. Just subscribe, you have access to them all. Now once you've done this, you can come back. If you've already done this, so welcome back. And the next thing I'm going to do is we want to hide it in case we don't want, maybe for one reason or another, we don't want some people to see it, we want to make it private, don't want it to be public. So how do you do this? From the home menu, tap on your more icon at the bottom, tap on the gear icon. If you don't see it, simply scroll up, you see it, and then tap on account information. So this is going to open up some options, one of which is a social network visibility, which is the last option on this page. So scroll all the way down, you can see social network visibility. This is where we've added them, we've saved them, and I want to change the visibility. Remember, we're trying to make it private, so what do? From here, you want to make it private. You can totally hide it by leaving it on no one. You want to make it private, let's say only your friends, you choose friends. You don't want to your friends and people you know, select friends and people you know. You want your friends, followers and people you follow, tap on this. So any of these options you choose will make it private enough for you, depending on your preference. If you found this video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.